Join me as I dive into the world of superfoods and challenge myself to eat only these nutrient-packed powerhouses for a week. Can they really transform my health? Today, it's hard to scroll through social media or walk into a health food store without being bombarded with the term superfood. But what exactly makes a food super? Is it just a clever marketing term, or is there real science behind the name? When it comes to superfoods, there are a lot of misconceptions floating around. Some people think that superfoods are a magic bullet that can cure any health problem overnight. Others believe that they're just a fad, and that the health benefits are overstated. But the truth is, superfoods are neither a quick fix nor a myth. They're simply foods that are packed with an exceptionally high amount of nutrients, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. But with so much conflicting information out there, it can be tough to separate fact from fiction. One of the major problems with the superfood trend is that it's largely driven by marketing and social media. This means that certain foods get hyped up as the next big thing, even if they're not necessarily that special. Take, for example, the acres of kale that are being harvested and marketed as a superfood. Don't get me wrong, kale is a great food and all, but it's not like it has some magical properties that other leafy greens don't have. The point is, we need to look beyond the hype and examine the actual science behind these foods. Let's take a look at some specific examples of superfoods that have real science backing up their health benefits. One of my personal favorites is spirulina, a type of algae that's packed with protein, iron, and antioxidants. Then there's turmeric, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. And of course, who could forget about blueberries, which are basically a bomb of antioxidants just waiting to go off in your body. These foods aren't magic, but they do have a real impact on our health and wellness. Spirulina, for example, has been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making it a great addition to a heart-healthy diet. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat everything from arthritis to skin conditions. And blueberries have been linked to improved cognitive function and a lower risk of heart disease. The key is to incorporate these foods into your diet in a way that's sustainable and balanced. A fad that's going to fade away anytime soon. In fact, one study found that a diet rich in superfoods can actually increase our lifespan by up to 10 years. That's right, folks, we're talking about a decade of extra life just by eating the right foods. Now, I know what you're thinking, that sounds too good to be true. But the science is out there, and it's hard to ignore. The power of superfoods lies in their ability to transform our health and wellness from the inside out. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into our diets, we can start to see real changes in our energy levels, our mood, and our overall well-being. It's not about cutting out entire food groups or following some restrictive diet, it's about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies. So what's the takeaway from all this? Superfoods aren't a magic solution, but they do have real health benefits that are worth exploring. By incorporating these foods into our diets in a balanced and sustainable way, we can start to see real changes in our health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite superfood. If you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out my next video on how to meal prep like a pro. See you in the next one.